Hi everyone, it's Chris here at Purely Outdoors, and today we're doing a product review of the Isabella Shadow Sun Canopy. This really is a best-in-class sun canopy from Isabella, as you expect. Every element of it has been made with the highest quality materials and all technology that you'd expect from such a premium brand. So the canopy itself comes in a huge range of sizes, so starts from 240 in width all the way up to 5 meters, so it gives you huge amount of space for, if you want a nice shaded area to the side of the van, you don't want a full sort of awning setup. It's a really nice sort of halfway house between the two. So we'll talk about some of the components. So it comes with the Carbon X poles, so super lightweight but really sturdy, what you'd expect from sort of a carbon fiber system. In terms of your strapping points, so you've got the Typhoon storm straps come included. Just make sure it's really locked down, really sturdy in those windier conditions. The fabric itself is an Isolite fabric from Isabella. So again, a really sort of breathable, hard wearing fabric, especially sort of its UV qualities. Like you say, because it is a sun canopy, it is going to be exposed to a lot of UV, but they've made sure they've put a fabric in place that's really hard wearing. You're going to get all the longevity that you'd expect with Isabella on that point of view. So stepping inside the canopy, so you get 2 meters of depth, so a really nice generous space here, perfect for sort of having a huge selection of Isabella furniture around and inside it. So we've got a couple of the chairs here that we stock. So the Thor especially, real bestseller in 2022 for us. Fantastic upright comfy chair if you are in the market for that. Also got the dining table as well, super sturdy. Really lovely slope on it as well, just helps if it is outside in the rain, just helps the rainwater fall off that with the slight curve that it's got on it, and really strong sturdy legs. A fantastic dining table option as well. We've got a huge selection of their windbreaks in stock as well, all got the iconic sort of porthole Isabella window in there, and again a lovely feature to have alongside your shadow canopy. So I think in conclusion, if you want a sun canopy that's going to last the test of time, got all the qualities that that come through from the Isabella awnings, and you want something that's going to really make you stand out on a campsite, I think the Shadow's for you. So thanks so much for watching. If you've got any questions on any of the Isabella furniture or the Shadow itself, drop us a comment below. But see you next time.